Hi, Gloria.
It's good to see you.
Ethan and Hannah, finally!
Well, hello. Who's this? Hello.
Ethan, it's me, Bailey. I'm a girl now.
This is a surprise, Gloria.
Look, Ethan, look.
We wanted to see you. We want to see CJ.
Well, we don't want to see you, which is why I have
Ethan, it's me, Bailey. Can't you tell it's me?
Is that you, Bus Dog?
It's me, it's me, it's me.